So students, till now we have studied the description of period. Moving to the next topic, which is what? Description of group. Now, as you all know, in the periodic table, you have seen there are some vertical columns, right? So these vertical columns are called as group. I can show you here. You can clearly see in this diagram, in this image, basically, there are, you can see this is a vertical column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, correct? So these 18 columns, the vertical columns are known as what? We call them as group. So we can write that vertical columns are called group. And how many vertical columns are there, students? There are 18 vertical columns. So how many groups are there? Basically, there are 18 groups. You can clearly see here. Now, if I talk about this group number 1 and group number 2, these group 1 and 2 are called basically S block elements. What we call them as S block elements. And the general configuration of these S block elements is, if I talk, these S block elements have general configuration for 1 to group number 1 and group number 2 has NS 1 to 2. If I talk about these elements, for example, this group from 13 to 18 students, so this group number 13 to 18 has general configuration. Group number 13 to 18 has general configuration NS2 NP 1 to 6. For example, if I say that group 13, so group 13 has specifically the 13 will have NS2 NP 1 to 6. 14 will have NS2 NP2. 15 will have NS2 NP3. 16 will have NS2 NP4. 17 will have NS2 NP5 and 18 will have NS2 NP6, correct? So the elements from group number 13 to 18 have general configuration NS2 NP1 to 6, and the elements of group 1 and 2 have general configuration NS 1 to 2. What does it mean? It means that the group 1, which is the group 1, has general configuration NS1 and 2 has general configuration NS2. It means they have the 1 electron in the valence shell in group 1 and 2 electron in the valence shell in the second one. Okay?